Hey, you toys! Hey, toys!
And we're back!
With more wacky fan
With more wacky, wavy, inflatable arm tube and more Sami Zayn and more scissors. Oh, scissors! Wait a second. And okay, and we've got this box. It's a holiday box. Happy holidays, everybody! This is a gift from Grandma and Grandpa.
Can you open it?
I think we're going to.
It's here.
Point it down so that we can see what we're opening.
Okay.
What is it? Do you know?
Yeah.
It's an official retro ring. That's right. Grandma felt bad because, well, Daddy's was lost. She shouldn't have felt bad. They held on to a lot of stuff.
Let's open it.
But this one is just like the old one, or so they say.
Why your one was lost?
Because my parents' house was destroyed in a flood. But that's rather much of a downer, isn't it?
Ow.
Let's take a look. This official pro retro ring. It's WWE. It's got, bands and, oh my goodness. But all those guys are pretty cool looking. Do we know these guys' names?
Yeah.
Macho Man.
Macho Man.
And I think that's Sami Zayn.
Sami.
And KO. We do! We got a big version of KO. Here's Dean Ambrose and Goldberg and Kofi and all those guys who I can't remember. There's the Demon. There is... He's my favorite wrestler. I can't think of what is your name? What is his name?
I don't know.
No, his name. Come on. You've never watched this before in your life. Come on. What is it? It's. He's a member of the Shield. It's not Roman Reigns, it's Seth Rollins. Seth Rollins and him, this guy. Do you know what his name is?
No.
I don't either. No, I do. What is his name? I'm having, I'm getting over post-Thanksgiving sickness. Okay.
Thanksgiving.
Yes, Thanksgiving was nice. You know what?
Oh, yeah.
Wait, don't hit the camera. Okay, what should we do?
Open it.
Open it! How about we just just cut the tape.
Okay. Scissors. I got it.
All right. Let's put these somewhere where we're not gonna sit on them.
Wow. Secret.
Wow. Look at it. I don't know, that plastic looks different. I remember it being bluer.
It's all one.
Oh, lots of ropes, lots of stuff. Did it come with anybody? Didn't even come with any guys. We're gonna have to...
Orange. These guys.
I don't know, I guess we have to use these guys. You know what? Let's break this into a second video because, you know, we only watched 3 minutes anyway, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Thank you for joining us. Remember to like or subscribe, share, leave a comment in the section below. And in the meantime,
Wacky fan tube. Wacky fan tube.
and in the meantime, goodbye.
Bye, tube fan.